Hey, my name is Chris Williams. I'm a retired certified financial advisor. I actually started and sold my own financial advisory and wealth management firm. I understand the value of residual income and of cash flow and of investing principles. I promise, I get it. I also have 5 kids. So I understand the value of teaching that to my kids. My oldest is 18 and is doing an amazing job with his finances. My youngest is 12 and she is crushing it. Everybody in between is doing the same thing. Let's talk about residual bulldog. This is for kids. This is a way to make sure you can teach and educate your kids on the important things, these things that matter so much that'll change that child's life for years to come. I can't tell you how much I wish I had probably done a few things differently early on, saved a little more, invested a little more, stayed away from some debt, followed some really sound financial principles. Your kids aren't going to get it in school. I know that, believe me. You got to teach this at home. You got to make this happen right there between you and them. You're going to learn so much in this process. It'll probably change your life and the way you look at finances too. Jump in there, get after it, teach your kids and teach yourself and teach your community how to really change the way you see money, change the way you live life. And that life you're living will be so vastly different just because of some small choices and some simple training you went through now. All right. Talk to you soon. Can't wait to see you on the inside.